What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am glad and happy that you are here. This video is unlisted, so that means you got here via a link from another video. This is the official entry video for the giveaway for the month of July 2025. And I'll be going over the rules and how to enter and things like that. I'll also put details in the description and pinned comments so you guys can check that out as well. Let's go ahead and cut to the chase here, and starting with these first three right here, starting with the Rebel, Artisan Cutlery Rebel, the black bladed version of this one is already on its way to the Patreon, paid Patreon member Lance, who won the, I think it was like a brown handle and blacked out blade on the Rebel. So this was part of June's giveaway. We have the Lyrid, and so the Lyrid was actually won by one of you guys. This one was not part of any membership. This was just being a YouTube subscriber and leaving a comment on the actual giveaway post I did last month. And the winner for this one was Jeff Huntington 3953. And Jeff, if you're watching this, I'm still trying to get a hold of you, buddy. So worst case scenario, if we get to the end of the month and I still haven't heard from Jeff, I'm going to redraw for this guy at the same time I redraw for all the other ones. So yeah, Jeff, definitely get in touch with me. All right, I'm giving you almost a whole month here to definitely get in contact with me. This one's pretty awesome, AR RPM 9 and the G10 scales, crossbar lock. I'll also link to all these below so you guys can check them out if you do want to purchase them for yourself. I'll also leave my unboxing overview video link below for each of these if you guys want to just learn more about these specifically, which we're obviously not going to get into in this video. The Sasaya from CJRB is another awesome kukri style knife. This thing is beastly. Absolutely love this thing. And a channel member, Josephius, my guy, definitely get in touch with me because I'm trying to give this one to you, sir. You won this thing. Josephius is a channel member, and he won this one from the draw last month. By the way, I don't have a ton of channel members, so chances are you can join to be a channel member, and you have really high chances of winning one of these upcoming ones I'll be going over in a second. But Josephius, get a hold of me. I'm trying to send this one your way, my guy. So yeah, same thing. If I don't hear from you by the other month, I'll have to redraw. But this Sasaya right here is yours, so definitely get a hold of me. By the way, I have my contact details below. For the winners, you can IM me on Instagram, or you can send me an email to contact Miguel EDC, altogether, no spaces, contact Miguel EDC at gmail.com. I'll also put it on the screen, of course, so you guys can see that. But please don't try to impersonate anybody, because what I'll do is I'll do a two-factor authentication. I'm going to ask this person to go back to their original comment and edit it with the special code I'm going to give them, and that's how I can confirm they are legitimately the correct person, right? The right person. So now let's get into these last four. So we're in the month of July right now. We're doing not one, but two, guys. We're doing two free channel subscriber giveaways this month. So this is the one where there's no purchase necessary. You can enter and qualify to win one of these two based on just being a subscriber alone. So you do have to be subscribed. You have to like this video. And in order to enter, right, which is going to add one more piece of details to make sure you guys are paying attention, you want to add a comment below with the word EDC, right? Just that simple, just a comment that has the word EDC together, EDC together, one word, no spaces, and, full sentence, some sort of comment below, something nice, something inspiring, right? What are you looking for in your next purchase? What are you carrying for the day? Anything like that. Definitely leave a comment below. That's going to be your entry. And again, no purchase necessary for this one. You just have to be subscribed. You have to like the video and leave a comment below with the word EDC. Now, what are you entering in to win? Now, you guys seem to really love this knife. This is a Lothar Leech King, and this is an Amazon find. This is one of those really good affordable budget EDC knives. We got D2 steel with a bead blasted dual ground recurve harpoon tanto geometry. So this thing is absolutely epic. It is a liner lock for this one with a flipper. We have steel bolsters with G10 inlays, looking pretty good. So again, not gonna go into a ton of detail because the actual videos are here in the channel if you guys want to learn more. Again, all linked down below. So I figure, why only have one person win? Let's have a second person win. So the second one for channel subscribers, no purchase necessary, it's gonna be this Free Tiger model right here. The actual model will be on the screen. This one is a D2 blade, blacked out. We got carbon fiber scales, proud liner, standoff, sandwich construction, right? Good old crossbar lock action. And actually, I'm planning on making a video here soon with the 10 competitors to Benchmade, right? 10 Benchmade bug out alternatives, and this one's one of them because you're getting absolute banger value here for the knife. So absolutely, really recommendable. And again, check out the video for more details. All right, really good action, and at least I'll have not one but two of you guys who win just for being a subscriber and checking out the video here, leaving that comment below with the word EDC. Now, moving on to the channel members and Patreon supporters, which again, I really want to thank them as well for their love and support, right? I want to thank all my viewers in general, but these folks are taking a step further here to support what I do with either channel membership or a paid Patreon membership, and I can't thank them enough for that. So for the Patreon members, paid Patreon members, we're going to have the CJRB Maximum. This is a DCA David C. Anderson from Knife Center design, and they absolutely knocked it out here, right? Got a smallish medium EDC, also crossbar lock, great action, ball bearings, AR RPM 9 stonewash drop point blade, and really good micarta. That's the one thing for sure. This is one elegant green micarta with recessed liner, standoff construction, deep pocket carry clip, reversible. I mean, that works, right? So again, check it out if you want to learn from more. Not only link down below, but the overview video is down there as well. So one of the paid channel members will be winning this one, so that is exciting. Definitely join the channel here as a member if you want to make sure you're also entered in for this one. You don't have to do anything special or anything. It's just simply joining the channel, becoming a channel member, right? That simple. And last but not least, we're going to move on to Patreon, right? So this is for my paid Patreon. Now, Patreon has a tier that is free. For some reason, they figure, hey, let's give everybody a free tier, but that free tier doesn't really show any support to the creator. You're just there to see what free content I may put out on Patreon, which is not really much. So a paid tier is where it's at. And being a paid tier member, it doesn't matter which tier, you are going to be entered in to win the Trinity from Eutectic Knives, right? This one's also pretty much a banger right here with G10 scales, multiple deployment options. This thing is super fidgety, right? You got the opening hole, thumb deployment, we can spidey flick, we can, flipper deployment back here, even has a little mohawk style front flipper as well. So, and for my folks who do like bigger knives, I mean, this thing is pretty sizey knife right there. So you can see here with my average size hand. So also you can forward choke here all day, get better control, really good jimping, really comfortable, thought out EDC knife. It is a liner lock. It is a Leon Mall design, in case you didn't know. Deep pocket carry clip, reversible. So that is the Trinity from Eutectic Knives. A little spoiler alert here, a little secret, guys. I don't have a lot of paid Patreon members. I also don't have a lot of channel members. So, I mean, if you want to get in the action here, chances are pretty high you can win one of these. Otherwise, again, these two are being given away for pretty much, again, free, no purchase necessary. Just have to be a channel subscriber. Leave a comment with the word EDC below. These three were from June. Again, this one already went out, the equivalent with a black blade. Need to hear from Jeff Huntington 3953, and I need to hear from Josephus, channel member as well. But guys, let me know your thoughts on these, right? Definitely leave a comment below. Don't forget to do that to get entered. Again, I'm aiming to do these at least monthly, so everybody across the board, just every subscriber that wants to get in the action, all my Patreon supporters who I'm really grateful for, and channel members as well, get a piece of the action here and just kind of giving back for. That's a grateful way for all your love and support. And just like before, guys, the draw is going to be July 31st at the end of the month, very last day of the month. July 31st is when I'll be drawing for all of these. So definitely make sure to do it right away as soon as possible. Please no duplicate comments because you will not get credit. I will be filtering for duplicate comments. So don't do that. Don't need to spam the comment section. Just one time, word EDC in a sentence, you're good to go. I'll also be shipping these to the US only, right? No international shipping. So if you live outside of the US and you have someone that lives here in the US that can take delivery of it for you, then they can later ship it to you, then you can absolutely do that. But I will not be doing any international shipping. So just putting that out there. And again, you do want to read the description for the full breakdown of all the rules. Again, that will be in the description and pinned comment as well. And last but not least, guys, YouTube is not sponsoring this giveaway in any way, shape, or form. I am the sole responsible party for delivering all prices, so definitely need to make sure I get that out there as well. Thank you all so much. Appreciate you checking out the video. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.